Most people pack for where they're going, but if you really want freedom, you need to prepare for who you're becoming. Hey, friend, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Jennifer, and I'm preparing to live full time on cruise ships. And this channel is all about that journey, how I'm using cruising as my path to freedom, building digital income to fund it, and figuring out what living life on your terms actually looks like. So, today we're talking about cruise preparation, but not the way you think. Because here's the truth, preparing for a cruise, especially when you're planning to make it your lifestyle, isn't really about the packing list. It's about the mindset. Now, stick around until the end because I'm going to share the one mindset shift that changed everything for me and the biggest lesson I learned while preparing that nobody talks about. So, let's talk about what it really means to prepare for cruise life. Now, when you think about getting ready for a cruise, your brain probably goes straight to the checklist, right? We talk about sunscreen, seasickness bands, power strips, outfits for every occasion. And yes, all of that matters when you're living on a cruise ship. But what if your preparation wasn't just about things? What if it was about alignment? So, here's what I mean. Every time you step onto a cruise ship, especially if you're planning to make it your home, you're not just preparing your luggage, you're preparing your life. You're asking yourself, what do I actually want? What kind of freedom am I building towards? And what does home even mean when it's floating? And this is where the shift happens because people think about cruising as a vacation, 7 days, maybe 2 weeks, and then back to real life. But when you're preparing to live on a cruise ship full time, you're not escaping life, you're redesigning it. And there's one question I had to ask myself before I could actually move forward with this. I'll share what that question was in just a minute, but first, let me explain why it matters. So, before you even think about what to pack for cruise living, ask yourself this: what am I really preparing for? Is it waking up to ocean views every morning? Is it the freedom to explore new ports whenever I want? Or is it building a life where your home comes with you? I like that part. So, whatever it is, that's your anchor. That's what guides every decision from here. Okay, so let me get into the mindset piece because living on a cruise ship isn't just a travel hack, it's a completely different way of thinking about life. Freedom doesn't look the same for everyone. So for you, maybe it's about having more time with your family. Maybe it's about building a business that doesn't tie you to one zip code. And maybe it's about finally doing that thing you've been dreaming about. For me, it's choosing cruise ships as my home base. It has the time, location, and financial flexibility that I want. Waking up in a different country without packing and unpacking, having my accommodations, my food, and entertainment all handled while I focus on building my business. But here's the thing, that kind of freedom doesn't just happen. You don't just wake up one day and suddenly decide to live on a cruise ship without preparing for it. You build towards it, one decision at a time. And I know what you might be thinking. Jennifer, living on a cruise ship sounds amazing, but how do you even do that? And honestly, that's exactly what this channel is about. You're literally watching me figure it out in real time. So, what does preparing for cruise life actually look like? It means getting clear on your why. It means building income streams that work from wherever because you can't live on no cruise ship without a sustainable income. It means simplifying your life so you can actually fit it into a cabin. And it means shifting your mindset from someday till I'm doing this. But here's the thing most people miss. When they start planning cruise life, and I almost made this mistake too, and I'll tell you what it is in a bit. Understanding this could save you months of frustration. Now, whatever version of freedom you're building, cruise life or something else, preparation starts with clarity. And clarity starts with deciding this is real, not just some dream. So let's talk about the practical side of preparing for cruise life. And yes, this means packing, but probably not the way you're used to. So when you're living on a cruise ship, you can't bring everything. Your cabin becomes your home and space is very limited. So you learn really quickly that you have to let go of the just in case mentality. And here's a little insight into my process. I'm not buying most of my cruise essentials until I get to Florida. And that's intentional because I realized that preparing for cruise life isn't all about packing. It's about figuring out what you actually need versus what you think you need. And here's the beautiful part. When you're forced to downsize your life to fit into a suitcase in a cabin, something shifts. You realize that most of the stuff you've been holding on to wasn't serving you anyway. You realize that freedom doesn't come from having more, it comes from needing less. And this is where I learned the biggest lesson about preparing for cruise life, something nobody warned me about. Stay with me because I'm going to share exactly what that lesson was and how it completely changed my approach to packing and planning. So if you're thinking about cruise life or any kind of travel focused lifestyle, start asking yourself, what would I actually miss if I couldn't bring it? What's essential? What's just emotional baggage disguised as belongings? Wow. Because here's the truth. The lighter you travel through life, the easier it is to actually live it. To say yes when opportunities come. To change directions when something isn't working. To wake up on a cruise ship and think, I really did this. So now, let's talk about the part nobody mentions when they romanticize cruise life. How do you actually pay for it? Because here's the reality. Living on a cruise ship full time costs money. And if you want true freedom, you need income that travels with you. Income that doesn't require you to be in an office. Income that works when you're docked in the Bahamas or sailing through the Mediterranean. That's why I build digital products. They're lightweight, they're scalable, and they create income that literally sails with me. And I'm not talking about get rich quick. I'm talking about building something sustainable, something that gives you the freedom to choose cruise life or whatever your version of freedom looks like without constantly stressing about money. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, I'd love to do something like this, but I don't even know where to start, I get it. That's exactly why I created the Digital Products Made Simple mini guide. It breaks down the basic, what digital products are, how to create them, and how to start building income that supports a location independent lifestyle. And I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. And it's free. Because here's the thing. If you're serious about cruise life or any kind of freedom-focused lifestyle, you need an income strategy that matches. And digital products are the one of the most realistic ways to build that. Now, you don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you do need to start building something that gives you options. Something that makes cruise life or your version of it actually possible. And here's what I promised earlier. The one question that changed everything for me and the mistake I almost made. So let's bring this full circle. Preparing for cruise life or any major lifestyle shift isn't really about the packing list. It's about preparing your mind. It's about getting clear on what freedom actually means to you. It's about letting go of what's weighing you down. It's about building the systems, financial, mental, practical, that makes living on your terms actually possible. You don't need to have it all figured out today. I definitely don't, but you do need to start. You need to start asking the right questions. You need to start packing lighter mentally, emotionally, physically. You need to start aligning your daily choices with the kind of life you're building towards. And here's what I want you to remember. Cruise life isn't the only path to freedom, but it's my path. And whatever your path look like, whether it's living on a cruise ship, traveling the world, building a business, or just waking up without an alarm clock. It starts with preparation. It starts with deciding this is real. This is not a dream. Now, here's what I promised. The one question that changed everything. Am I preparing to escape or am I preparing to build? Because if you're just escaping, you'll always be running. But if you're building, you're creating something sustainable, something real, something free. And the mistake I almost made, I almost waited until everything was perfect, until I had it all figured out, until I felt ready. But here's the truth. You'll never feel completely ready. You just have to start. So whether you're preparing for your first cruise or your 100th, whether you're thinking about cruise life or just curious about what this journey looks like, start now. Start small. Start with one intentional choice. So if this resonated with you, do me a favor and drop the word freedom in the comments. Let's talk about what that looks like for you. Are you thinking about cruise life? What's holding you back? What's pulling you forward? I'd love to hear about it. And if you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed because you're literally watching me build this lifestyle in real time. I've got so much more to share with you about preparing for cruise life, building location independent income, and making freedom actually happen. And I also dropped the link below to my Cruise Life Essential Guide. It's free too. It's got all my favorite must-have for cruise living if you're planning a trip or thinking about making ship your home. So, all right, friend, I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels and happy preparing.